You are going to love the 2023 Outlander. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.